Happy Sunday! Yes, it is Sunday. I feel like it was just Sunday and now it's Sunday again. But I am at Walgreens and I'm here to share with you guys today's deals that you guys can do. There's some pretty good deals. There's a couple deals that I'm excited for, so we will see. Just want to give you guys a heads up. I will not be doing a Walgreens haul next week. I'm going out of town. But I'm going to try to do something a little bit differently. I was going to do something like I usually do if I'm out of town, but my phone does not have the thing that I want, so I got to figure out a new way or figure out a new situation. TikTok is not helping me out. But anyways, I am ready to go in the store and share with you guys today's deals. If you guys are new to my channel, hi, hello, my name is Jennifer and I love helping you guys save money. I mostly shop at Walgreens and Walmart, but you know, when my kids go back to school next fall, my daughter will be going to school full time, so that I'll probably have a little bit more time to go do more things and share with you guys more stuff. So make sure you subscribe if you guys haven't already. I would love it if I could hit 70,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I know it's not going to happen, but it would be awesome if you guys could help me out. So let's go inside and save some money. So here we have the Dove Women's Body Wash. It is on sale this week for just $7. You're going to buy 2 of them. You're going to end up using a $2 off digital coupon for 2 of them. You will pay just $12 for the 2 of them. The bar soap is $10, so it's cheaper to get the body wash. But anyways, you're going to get 2 of them. You'll pay $12. We currently have an Ibotta rebate where you get $2 back, and yes, you can use a coupon with this deal, but you get $2 back, making it $4 back with Ibotta. And then when you purchase 2 of the Dove products, you will receive a $3 register reward, making your final price for 2 of them just $5 or $2.50 each. Here we have the Nivea Women's Body Wash for $7.99. It is currently buy one, get one 50% off. You're going to buy 2 of them and you'll pay $11.98. That's crazy. $11.98 for 2 of them. But when you purchase the 2, you will receive a $5 cash rewards, and you get $1.50 back with Ibotta times 2, so you get $3 back with Ibotta, making your final price for this just $3.98 or $1.99. And this deal you guys can do online and do in-store pickup as long as you get the receipt to scan for the online deal. But pretty great deal if you guys need some Nivea body wash. So here we have the Yardley bar soap. This week it's on sale, 2 for $3. That makes it $1.50 each. We currently have an Ibotta rebate with a limit of 5, so you get 25 cents back with Ibotta, making these just $2.50 or like $1.25. So you just basically can get 25 cents off. But if you guys love these bars, it's a pretty okay deal for some bar soap. So here we have the Pantene. These are on sale for just $5. You're going to buy 2 of them, and then we currently have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you will want to use. You will end up paying just $7 for the 2 of them, but you will receive a $3 register reward when you purchase the 2, making them just $4 or $2 each, which is an okay deal. I don't get Pantene very often, but I feel like you can get it cheaper, but it's hard to say. This isn't on sale as much, but still an okay deal if you guys need some Pantene. If you guys need some panty liners, the Walgreens brand is $3.49. They are currently buy one, get one 25% off. So altogether, you would pay $6.10 for 2 of them. But then when you purchase the 2 feminine products, you will receive a $5 store coupon, register reward coupon, making them just... Sorry, I can't think of it. I'm thinking of Lenny Kravitz right now in the background. Making them just $1.10 or 55 cents each, which is a pretty good deal if you guys need some panty liners. There are some other ones, but my store hasn't carried those ones in stock. But this is a pretty good deal if you guys need some liners. If you need some Kotex pads, these are $8.49. They're currently buy one, get one 50% off. We currently have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use. You will end up paying just $9.73 for 2 of them, but then you also get a $5 register reward. Now keep in mind, all these feminine products have to be done in separate transactions to get that register reward, and you cannot roll them, but you will get that $5 register reward, making it $4.73 or just $2.36 each if you guys need some pads. So here we have the baby lips. I feel like I haven't gotten baby lips in for a long time. Some of them are $6.29, some of them are $5.99. What you can do is get 2 of them, but buy one, get one 50% off. We currently have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys can use, making your final price just $3.98 or $1.99 each. I haven't used baby lips in forever. One of my videos I was just talking about baby lips, so I think I might get them just because I love them and I miss them. So here we have the Arm & Hammer again, you guys. Arm & Hammer. The baby bottles. These are $7.49, but they're on sale this week for buy one, get 2 free. That comes out to be just like $2.50 each. Now make sure you're checking out your sizes because this one says it's 28 loads. This one says it's 21 loads, but they're both, this one's 27.5 fluid ounces, this one's 28. But there's some bigger ones in the back that are 28 also, but 28. So these are both 28 fluid ounces. They're both 28 loads, but the bottle sizes are totally different. Yeah, I don't understand who does their marketing, but yeah, if you guys need some, there you go. So here is a Purex deal up to your discretion. These are $9.99. We currently have a $2 off digital coupon. You'll end up paying $7.99. But then again, up to your discretion, there is an Ibotta rebate for $2 back, making it just $5.99 if you guys need the big jug of Purex. But again, it's up to your discretion to use that Ibotta rebate. So here's a deal that a lot of people love, is the gift card deal. I haven't seen a gift card deal for a while, but here we got where if you buy 2 gift cards, you get a $10 Walgreens gift card. So if you buy 2 Domino's, 2 A&E or American Eagle, and H&M, so it looks like the minimum for Domino's and H&M are $15, and then American Eagle is $25. So basically what you could do is buy 2 gift cards, and you can mix and match. You can do this deal as many times as you want. But what you're going to do is buy 2 of the gift cards, so you either pay $30 or you could pay $50 depending on what you get. And then you'll end up getting a Walgreens $10 gift card, making it a $40 value for just $30. So pretty great deal, and especially if you guys need Domino's, that's a great deal. Just want to give you guys a heads up, check out your clearance. My store has a lot of stuff on clearance, but they have some pasta on sale for 99 cents. I mean, it's a pretty decent deal for 99 cents for some pasta. So here's a deal that I like to stock up on. We have the Walgreens brand or the Complete Home brand of the trash bags. These are on sale for just $4.99, but they're buy one, get 2 free. So you end up paying just $4.99 for 3 of them, but then that comes out to be just $1.66 a box. I love using these for my car, and I also like using them for my bathroom. So if you guys need some trash bags, $1.66. So here we have the Poise pads. They are 2 for $11. We currently have a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $6 for the 2 of these. But again, this is up to your discretion if you guys choose to do this deal. But you get $2 back when you purchase the pads. Otherwise, it's $1 back for the liners. But you get $2 back, so that's $4 back with Ibotta, making these just $2 or $1 each, which is a pretty great deal for some Poise. Hello everybody. Yes, Walgreens. I actually was in there pretty fast. Now I had a booster for it was spend 25 get 5, so I ended up using that. But yeah, let me just share with you guys everything that I got. Yeah, I was like telling the cashier, I'm like, no, remember, I will not be here next week. She's like, really, where are you going? And I'm like, I'm just gonna be out of town. So yeah, but I ended up getting the Walgreens panty liners. These were $3.49 at buy one get one 25% off. You would end up paying $6.10 for this, but then you do get a store coupon that does expire on the 16th. So I think it's still is that a 2-week thing? It's a 2-week thing. So you end up getting a $5 store coupon. So these do not roll. But you can do this deal as many times as you want, and you can use it towards other items, not just the feminine care. But you'll get that $5 register reward, making these $1.10 or just 55 cents each, which is a pretty great deal for some feminine liners. I also did the Poise. Now, when I say it's up to your discretion, it means it's up to you to do it. Now, when you look at Walgreens receipts, they don't specify what coupon you use. It just says if you used an e-coupon or a digital coupon. It doesn't say what coupon it is. So if you have a ton of different items and you're submitting your receipt to Ibotta, you can submit your receipt to Ibotta. Now some people choose not to, and that's totally up to you. I have not had a problem with it since I've been doing this with Walmart and Walgreens, but Walgreens is a lot different, you know, but I'm just giving you guys a heads up. But these were 2 for $11. I used a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. You would pay $6 for this, but then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta where you get $2 back times 2, so you get $4 back with Ibotta, making these just $2 or $1 each. So great deal. I ended up getting some baby lips because I'm kind of having a hankering for some, and I'm hoping, I don't know if these tint your lips. I know, was it the Revlon ones do, but I'm hoping these ones do. So baby lips, these were $5.99 at buy one get one 50% off. I had a 5 off of 2 digital coupon. You would just get these for $3.98 or just $1.99 each. So I got these because I wanted some baby lips for my purse. So yes, I also got, there's something in my throat. I also got the Dove body wash. Now I did scan the men's does not work, it's only for the women's. But this deal, you can submit your receipt to Ibotta. So these are $7 each. There is a $2 off digital coupon that you guys would want to use. You will pay $12 for the 2 of them. But then you get, then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta where you get $2 back times 2. So you get $4 back with Ibotta. Plus you will receive a $3 register reward when you purchase the 2, making them just $5 or $2.50 each. So it just depends on if you guys want to do this deal or not. And then I also got the Nivea women's body wash. So these were $7.99 at buy one get one 50% off. Now they are cheaper online and you can do this deal online. I actually might go back and do this deal online just because with the Ibotta deal and then with the coupon you can stack on it, it's probably a better deal to do online. But anyways, Nivea body wash, $7.99 at buy one get one 50% off. There's no digital coupons, but you would pay $11.98 for 2 of them, but then you can submit your receipt for $1.50 times 2 with Ibotta, and you will receive $5 Walgreens cash. So $5 Walgreens cash to do this deal, making these just $3.98 or just $1.99, which is a pretty great deal. And I know there's probably a digital coupon that you guys can stack those, so if you guys want to get that. That was everything that I got because I have a lot of the stuff that I already need, and I don't, certain things I do need and some things I don't. So my total came to $31.64. I did receive $8 for register rewards, that is for the store coupon for the feminine care product, and then $3 for the Dove. Points, I received $10.70. I had that $10 or $5 for spending $25, and then I got the $5 for the Nivea. And then with Ibotta, I will be getting $11. Now, I haven't seen anything pop up for the monthly thing, so I don't know if they're not doing it this month or not. If you guys did it, that's awesome. It probably varies per account, but I haven't seen anybody get anything for that. Okay, I got $13 back with, oh, so I ended up getting a Dove bonus. Not sure what I did, but I ended up getting a $2 Dove bonus. It won't let me see what it is. Okay, so never mind then. So altogether, I got $13 back with Ibotta. So my total came out to be a $6 or 6-cent moneymaker. I got everything for free. So I don't know if because I bought 2 Dove items or if it was because I bought a thing prior to that. I don't know. I don't know. It's not letting me. So if you guys can comment below, that would be awesome to tell me what it was. I'm trying to see if I can click on it. Okay, here it is. It says when you redeem 2 offers. So I guess I got 2 rebates. I guess that's even a better deal. That comes out to be just $3. So that's cool. That's cool. So yeah, my whole thing came out to be for free. So I'm pretty excited with everything that I got. Sorry for being all confusing. But anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a great big thumbs up. I love it when you guys can give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I hope you guys have a lovely week. It's supposed to be nice this week, hopefully. We still get rain constantly. Today it might rain, we'll see. But anyways, I hope you guys have an awesome day. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.